Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Yesterday I slew a dragon. While I was weaving the basket, the cat watched me. Before he left, he had bidden his family farewell. They had been forbidden from entering the area when I arrived. She had shrunk her dress by mistake last month. While they were shining, we could see our reflection. By the time we arrived, they had sought the treasure for hours. He was leaping over the puddle when he slipped. The cat was slinking through the door as I opened it. She spat out the watermelon seeds yesterday. They had sworn to keep the secret before the meeting started. He was swinging at every pitch during the game. Before the power went out, I had wound the clock. She was wringing out her wet hair after the swim. After he had fled, we could not find him. While I was dealing the cards, someone knocked on the door. Before the rain started, they had sown all the seeds. He was stung by a bee while walking through the garden. By the time they arrived, we had finished our meal. While she was reading, the lights went out. Before today, I had never seen such a beautiful painting. They had been friends for years before they started their business. He was trying to call you when you walked in. We had not realized the time had passed so quickly. She had worked at that company for 10 years when it closed. While they were building the house, a storm struck. Before the concert began, the band had tuned their instruments. He was writing the letter when the lights went out. They had discussed the project for hours before reaching a decision. She was standing in the queue when she saw her friend. By the time the meeting ended, we had decided on the new policy.
Thanks for watching.